Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in our handloom saree story series, we are going to be looking at Bhagalpur Tussar silk sarees, and we are going to be talking about a special collection that we have put together in Bhagalpur Tussars. This collection is called Poetry in Geometry, where we have worked with the designer to create a special collection which beautifully captures woven on tussar squares, circles, rhombus, rectangles, arrow lines, all kinds of geometric designs which come out beautifully when woven in the Jamdani style on the saree itself. So there are beautiful motifs all over the body and in the pallu, and together it's a very beautiful collection of lovely tussar silks in this collection that we have, with beautiful combination and collection of motifs from the world of geometry. Now let's take a look at this beautiful Bhagalpur Tussar saree. It's a lovely, beautiful graphite black. Fabulous, beautiful. Now I'll open out the saree and show you the full pallu. Wow, it's a grand pallu. Beautiful, awesome. The tussar is really good, very nicely textured. Feel is so good, so crisp, and the fall and the feel is really good. Drape is really good. This color is beautiful graphite black, and the patterns, as you can see, there are hexagonal shapes throughout the body, and each hexagon is formed by a collection of rectangles. There are about 10 odd rectangles in each of these, including one right in the center. As you can see, there is a white rectangle. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. 11 rectangles together form this hexagon. So it's beautifully designed, and if you notice, each rectangle is actually a collection of oval shaped booties. So the weaving is really complex, very intricate weaving, very nicely done, and creates a beautiful effect. And overall, when you look at the saree, the theme, poetry and geometry theme, comes out beautifully. Of course, the borders are lovely zari, tissue zari on the top and bottom, and there are vertical stripes which are separating each row of hexagons. The vertical stripes are in golden zari. Let's see how the body of the saree looks like. I'll just flip it around for you. Yes, lovely. Beautiful stripes, vertical stripes, across the body, connecting the zari border on top and the zari border in the bottom. Beautiful vertical stripes, and the stripes are actually almost like, the finish is almost like a kanta work stitching. The finish, if you come closer, beautifully serrated line, which looks really classy. And against the lovely Bhagalpur tussar, the quality of the Bhagalpur tussar silk, on the tussar silk, the serrated lines looks beautiful. So it's a very classy saree. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, lovely. Beautiful, lovely contrast blouse. It's I would call it a brick red or orangish red. It's really nice. It's very striking, and it goes very well with the body, sets off the body beautifully. And of course, together they really make a pretty sight. The body, the blouse and the pallu. It's fantastic. The combination is really good, and really this saree lives up to its theme of the designer, poetry in geometry. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. This is a lovely collection. If you really want to take a closer look at this saree, please come out to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have a lovely collection of tussar silk sarees, and especially this collection of Bhagalpur tussars. The poetry in geometry collection is something you should visit in person and see. And of course, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you'll consistently get shots and videos of all the wonderful collections at Avishya. Now let's take a look at this lovely cobalt blue Bhagalpur tussar silk saree. It's part of the poetry and geometry collection. I'll open this out so that we can see the entire pallu. Wow, fabulous. Really gorgeous pallu. Fantastic, beautiful cobalt blue. It's textured, so the tussar silk and the cobalt blue goes so well. It's textured so well. It looks almost metallic finish. And of course, this is a beautiful diamond shapes. Within that, there's a square within the diamond. And the diamond itself is formed with circles. If you come closer, you'll actually see that it's a diamond shape within which there's a square, and the diamond itself is formed with a bunch of circles. The way it's woven, the weaving is so intricate. One by one, these circles have been woven together, forming this diamond. Within that, the square comes. So it's a fantastic weave, and of course in two colors. There's a lovely tussar color, and there is a beautiful red, lovely scarlet red color. The tussar color and the scarlet red are alternating on the saree. And of course, the pallu ends with beautiful stripes, lovely stripes, red, golden stripes, golden tussar color and blue. lovely alternating stripes in the end of the pallu. Let's flip it. I'll flip it around. Let's see what the body looks like. What is the color that designer has chosen? Wow, awesome. This is a fantastic honey gold or golden brown, whatever you may call it, body. It's really, really beautiful. And again, the same pattern in the pallu repeats itself, the same squares, diamond shapes with the squares or rectangles in between. Again, the weaving is very, very intricate across the body. Beautiful weaving, and the texture is awesome. Gorgeous texture. The fall is so nice, beautiful. And let's also see what the blouse of the saree looks like. Beautiful, gorgeous, lovely contrast blouse, contrast with the body. And this is how all of them look together. The pallu, the blouse, and the body. This is how they look together. Fabulous combination. Cobalt blue with the beautiful golden brown and the lovely diamond shapes with the rectangular motifs in between. It's a sensational saree, and the design is really, really stylish. I'm sure you'll enjoy wearing this saree, but you must come to our store. This is something which you should see in person. Please come over to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, and I'm sure you'll love to see the saree in person. You can even drape it, touch, and feel the beautiful Bhagalpur tussar, and we'll be very happy, our staff will be very happy to explain the saree to you. Of course, if you're a person who enjoys these videos, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to us. We'll constantly keep giving a stream of beautiful videos about handloom sarees from all over India. Thank you.